Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Kids go la fun and learn. Today we will do nice experiment. We need glass, matchbox, balloon and paper. Let us start.